What causes high-pressure fuel pump failure in your BMW? Is your BMW engine hesitating to come to life? Because it could be the sign of a faulty high-pressure fuel pump or HPFP. Do you want to know the reason why your car's HPFP may go bad? Below you will find a detailed list of the possible causes of HPFP failure in BMW. Reasons why your BMW high-pressure fuel pump may go bad. Poor quality fuel. If you're using impure or poor quality fuel in your car, it can cause HPFP failure. Besides, a clogged fuel filter may also give rise to HPFP-related issues. Damaged components. Listed below are some of the major parts that make up a car's HPFP. Inlet and outlet valves, pressure relief valves, damper, plunger, lift pump rocker arm. Faulty components may result in HPFP issues in your BMW. Faulty camshaft eccentric. To pump the fuel into relevant cylinders, HPFP relies on the camshaft. Issues with the camshaft eccentric may lead to unexpected HPFP damage. ECU malfunction. The engine control unit is responsible for regulating the functioning of HPFP. That's why it's no surprise that if your BMW ECU is faulty, HPFP will fail. Signs of high-pressure fuel pump malfunction in BMW. Enlisted below are some of the noticeable symptoms of HPFP failure in BMW. Problem starting the engine. Your BMW is struggling to accelerate. A sudden hike in the rate of fuel consumption. Engine temperature is high. To sum up, high-pressure fuel pump is an important part of your BMW's fuel processing unit. Its failure can make your car engine run rough and seize up. Do everything needed to be done to ensure the upkeep of your car's HPFP.